Thank you for joining us today. My name is Scott Sommerfeld. I'm a licensed landscape architect and a water conservation representative at East Bay Mud. Well, East Bay Mud is here to help its customers save water by putting in efficient and sustainable irrigation systems. So a question I get asked a lot is, can you install a drip irrigation system yourself? And the answer is yes. Well, this customer had a lawn here, and she took out the lawn and they sheet mulched it a couple of months ago. By converting this lawn, we've cut the water in half just by taking the lawn out. And today, we've replaced an old, inefficient spray irrigation system with a new, efficient drip irrigation system. Additionally, the drip irrigation system applies water more uniformly and evenly to the irrigation system and puts the water right where it needs to. And we have two valves here, one for each of two methods that we use to install this system. There's a black tube right down here that's connected to the valve. So we're going to follow this tube down to this end of the garden here. We want to tie the irrigation into one end of the system so that the water can move through the system to the other end. And at this point, it's teeing off and going underneath this path to water this area over here. For this system right here, we install a converter kit. What we do is we take the old sprinkler off and we screw on this converter kit. And what's nice is the converter kit has the filter and the pressure regulator built into it. This flush valve right here is usually in the off position, but about once a year, what we're going to do is we're going to open up this flush valve and let the water run out. And the reason for that is that little particles get into the tube over a really long time. Now, we've used the snake system here because the plants are going to be spread out much further apart. And now here we're going to install a grid method. And a grid method, what we want to do here is we're going to apply water evenly throughout this entire area. And so the emitters are 12 inches apart. When we plant, we're going to plant one plant by each of the emitters. So we offer what we call a bundled program. It's really 6 different rebates. You can apply for one or all 6. The rebate program is designed to do 3 things: to lower the water use of the landscape, such as replacing a high water use plant, such as a lawn, with a low water sustainable landscape. The second reason is to make the irrigation system more efficient. So if you're spraying water all over the sidewalk into areas where it's not supposed to, we have rebates to help make the irrigation system more efficient. And the more important reason, which is to manage the water and to know when you're over irrigating. Lawn conversion is of great benefit to both the customer and East Bay Mud. By removing a thirsty, inefficient lawn, we're replacing it with an efficient drip irrigation system. This customer is going to find savings for many years to come.